Imagine a bowl of creamy tomato soup, a symphony of rich flavors dancing on your tongue. How to achieve this culinary nirvana, you ask? It's simpler than you think. Start with fresh tomatoes, ripe and bursting with flavor. Or if you're in a pinch, a can of crushed tomatoes will do just fine. Into a non-reactive pot they go, a haven for our tomato-based concoction. Now, the secret to a well-balanced soup is in the cheese, Parmesan to be precise. Its sharp, nutty flavor counters the acidity of the tomatoes, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. Next, a swirl of cream. It lends a velvety texture to the soup, transforming it from a simple dish into a luxurious treat. Pair it with a grilled cheese sandwich and you've got a meal that's as satisfying as it is scrumptious. This soup is a testament to the beauty of simplicity, easy to make, delicious to taste, and versatile enough to cater to any preference. And the best part? It freezes well, so you can always have a bowl ready for those cozy nights in. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of cooking and experience the joy of creating this creamy tomato soup.